and we get into these curls. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about this gorgeous unit from Gorgius. So I finally tried the viral wig. This is the Shake and Bomb. Hold on. This is the Rich Brown Shake and Bomb Jerry Curl Bang Style wig from Gorgius. It is in the color reddish brown, and this is 12 inches. This wig, the original price is $59.99. I will leave my discount code where you can get $45 off. So make sure you check it out. So let me show you how quick and easy it is to install this unit. Keep on watching. So what I love best about this unit is that it is full and voluminous, easy to install, like it's literally a throw on and go, and it doesn't have that fake shine. So natural. Absolutely obsessed with this unit. I need it in every color. The only thing that I will say is that I might trim it up a little bit to frame my face before I throw on and go. She's that girl. Gorgius definitely did her thing. So So I've seen all the TikTok viral videos, the YouTube videos. Oh, you get this unit, you take it out of the box, you shake it, you put it on your head, and that's it. And literally, that's it. That's all you need to do. So if you are looking for a beginner-friendly wig, look no further. This is definitely your girl. And this color, I've been thinking about dyeing my hair, so this is the perfect option just to see if this is really what I want to do. And this color, she's giving. Let me know what you think about this unit in the comment section below. Would you rock her? Are you going to use that discount code? Let me know. Let's chat up in the discount. Let me know. Let's chat it up in the description box. Let me know. Let's chat up in the comments section below. Have you tried any Gorgius units yet? If you have, which one is your favorite? Let me know, because I'm definitely going to get more. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.